she's suing for $5,000. Brenda Davidson says the plaintiff is a tramp who tried to steal her husband. She says she didn't send the products, but says the plaintiff got what she deserved.
All rise, remain standing and come to order. The Honorable Judge Kevin Ross presiding.
You may be seated.
All parties have been sworn, Your Honor.
Thank you, Deputy Thomas. All right, Deborah Collins, I understand you are suing Brenda Davidson for hair damage as well as intentional infliction of emotional distress for a total of $5,000. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, let's start with your hair, ma'am. What happened to it?
This woman right here sent me a hair care package, that beauty spa package that had hair removal in it, and she sent it to me, and I used it, and it had my hair falling out from it. I had to go to a dermatologist to figure out what was going on, and then she told me that it was a hair removal in the products, and it was like some kind of bad joke. So I have the bill here.
All right, I'll take a look at that in a moment. Ms. Davidson, did you send Ms. Collins?
I don't know what she's speaking about.
You know what you're speaking about.
Let me hear from her now. Do you know Ms. Collins?
You know, she looks like a slut that I've seen on the street.
Wait a minute.
I am not a slut.
Wait a minute. You serious? That's uncalled for in the courtroom.
Excuse me.
Let's show a little bit more respect here, all right? All I ask you is, do you know her? Why are you looking at the gentleman here? Are you
well,
Mr.
because
Davidson?
this is my husband.
All right. And you are, sir?
My name is Nicholas Davidson.
Mr. Davidson, do you know Ms. Collins?
Yes, we work together.
You work together?
Yes.
And what was the relationship that you had with Ms. Collins?
We were dating.
She was a coworker, and
were you dating her, sir?
I don't know if you could call what we were doing dating, but
You were my boyfriend.
We got involved.
All right, so you got involved with Ms. Collins.
What happened approximately 3 months ago, we're laying in bed together, watching TV as we normally do.
Don't interrupt.
And the phone rang.
And it was my job.
The phone rang, and he didn't answer it. He turned it off. And I said, honey, why aren't you going to answer the call? And he said,
say my name kind of thing, huh?
You know. So I didn't say anything, Your Honor. I didn't say anything to him until 6 weeks later. I got my hands on the phone bill. And you know what I found?
Tell me.
Your Honor, I found over 4,000 texts, phone calls, 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, all the phone sex, everything. What were you doing?
That was not
at
phone
2 o'clock
sex.
in the morning.
It was neutral.
Ms. Collins, why are you talking
you need to tell her
Davidson?
to be quiet.
No, I need to tell you a little bit.
I'm just really
bring
upset.
it down.
Okay.
That's fine. So, Mr. Davidson, you've got 2 ladies that are very passionate about you. I don't know if you're worth it, sir, but the question is, how do we find ourselves in a situation where there's a basket of products sent to Ms. Collins? Did you send those items, sir?
No, I didn't. I was at work. I got a call from Deborah, and she said that she had a problem with her hair. She was taking a shower, and she had issues. Her hair started falling out, and that she had gotten a gift basket. I didn't know what she was talking about. And yeah, she thought it was for me, and I told her I didn't send her anything.
All right. Now, why would you think it was from Mr. Davidson?
Because he was the one who I was seeing at the time.
And what was it about the gift basket that made you think?
Because it said, you're only one and only. So I thought it was from him that he sent it to me, and I went to confront him if it was him.
And the basket came to you at your place of employment?
At place of employment. And I thought it was from him since we worked at the same place.
And when you said to him, Mr. Davidson, did you send me this, what was his response?
He didn't know anything about it.
No, I didn't. I didn't know anything about it. I'm thinking, could be somebody else she's seeing.
And
I wasn't seeing anybody at the time.
Like I said, she's a slut.
What I need to...
She's not a slut. Why you gotta keep calling her slut? She's not a slut.
You keep calling me a slut, you might as well call yourself a wench.
Woosah.
We're back with the case of Deborah Collins, who is suing her ex-boyfriend's wife, Brenda Davidson, for spiking her conditioner with hair removal cream.
Let me make sure I'm following the story. Someone sent you a product with hair removal.
Yes.
In the shampoo and the other products.
Yes.
Hair falls out.
Yes.
What proof do you have that it was Mrs. Davidson?
The proof that I have is when she actually came in the one time that she did come in to the hotel over where I work. She made a snide comment to me.
What did she say to you?
She said, that's what you get. You don't mess with other married woman's husband.
That sentence doesn't make sense. So someone just walks up to you and says, that's what you get. How would you know the context of what she was saying?
Because it's in how she said it.
That's the only proof that you have.
Yes.
That's problematic. Let me take a look at your evidence with respect to your medical bills.
Your Honor, I have something to say. May I say something now?
When I don't ask you a question, you're winning your case. You still want to say something?
I went to my dermatologist, and that's all I had that bill there for. And they told me that it was a hair removal in the shampoo. I had it checked when I went to my appointment.
Okay. So what I have is circumstantial evidence that it could have been Mrs. Davidson, but I don't have any concrete information that would establish that Ms. Davidson did this. Ms. Davidson?
Yes.
You are under oath.
Yes, I am.
I want you to look at me. Did you send that package to Ms. Collins?
I did not send that package to Ms. Collins.
You know you are denying it.
Ms. Collins, I'm pretty good at doing my job. Why don't you